Hey guys, back pro here, and this is a huge update on my game. I'm sure you'll all like it. And I've added many things, and even like I can just run it from here. It's got multiple files now, and I found out that I can just run the launcher from here, so I'm gonna run it real quick. And it tells stuff right there. And basically what you got is you move around your little player, and you can build things just like normal. Same 1 through 5. I haven't changed that yet. I'm hoping on changing that to where it's just one button to place and you can scroll through the items. It probably wouldn't be that hard, but I just haven't gotten around to it yet. So I've been working on something else. Got the hiccup, sorry. And, so I'm just gonna build a little house for the heck of it, and just kind of go through this stuff again. You can press 1 through 5 to place items. 1 is the hashtags or pound signs. 2 is the slash, which represents a door. 3 does like that half table. 4 does the other half table. 5 places a little character. And you can't walk through the hashtags. You can walk through here in the door or pound sign. You can, if you go up to the player, it says hello there, would you like some pie? Click Y or N, click Y, it says gold stars 1, and it deletes the player. I'm just gonna place another player to show that if I do it again, it adds me another gold star. And if I click no, N, I don't get a gold star. But there's a bug with that, and this bug, which I recommend not doing because it'll screw up your game if you like hold it down like, oh, I'm gonna get a lot of points. You can just click Y without going up to the player, and that's a bug, but I cannot figure out how to fix it, and it's not on the top of my priorities. So the next thing I would like to, I'm just gonna put a little person there. Next thing I would like to point out is the deleting, I guess. Press A to delete an item to the side of you, W to delete one above you, S to delete one below you, and last but not least, D to delete one to the side of you. And I'm just gonna build this house back up real quick, and that's about it for that. The building. Now the menu, you press T and G to go through. G goes down, T goes up, and you just kind of go like that. Save saves your map, so you press B to select. So that just saved my map. And if I go and I'm actually going to use the new function, so B, that'll give me new. It also seems to sometimes, I guess I forgot to fix that, the menu, you just have to press the button again, the menu will come back up. And I'm going to load up that map again. But there's a bug. This is a really big bug, and I'm working on it. Sorry about this, but it still allows you to build and edit this. Yeah. You can walk through everything, and the things don't affect you. But the good thing is that I can still keep building and add on. These new things I placed, I can't like go through and stuff, even though I can go through these old things. And you might be thinking, like my first thoughts was, this is gonna be ghost block, it's not gonna save. And nope, that's wrong. So if I go and I save it now, and I just go down to new, and now if I load it back up, it'll load all the new stuff I placed. Yet you can't even go through. So that's just a nice little, you can still save and load, which is great to know. Next thing is redo. That's more, you'll probably be just press the R button to do that, but sometimes you can get stuck inside these and not be able to move. And the solution to that is just hold R, but I figured why not add one in the menu too, so I guess redo. Sets you to coordinate 0, 0. Quit. Self-explanatory. Quits the game. And just to show, I don't have to be in that game to like load stuff. So I just loaded it back up now. It even shows the gold stars. Hold on. I just thought of something. It's gonna be a bug. Yep, it reset my gold stars. Oh well, you know, I do my best, and I think this is worth it. So now I guess I'll show you the code that's done with showing how it works. And I have it in a folder right here. I'll show you my setup and explain some things that would have really helped me if I would have known it sooner. And that one fact, one thing I do want to say, this will be up for download, of course. And the way it works, I use system a couple times. Well, not in particular that, but I use locations, and you just have to go into the file and edit everything that says tie to whatever the name of your user is, and it'll be fine. This also file has to go in the home folder. And basically the start, when you double click start, it's just a CPP file, and this is of course with ncurses, and it sets the directory to the right file. This is one spot where you'll have to change. Then it says in system, it compiles the ncurses v6, so you don't have to worry about compiling those each separately. So that's one thing. Just make sure you will have to compile this file right here, and I'll show how to do that in the description or something. But basically what this does is it compiles that other file, which is the main file, real quick, and then opens up the terminal and runs it. So this is just a little note that reminded me of something. But yeah, and that's what happens when you do this. Read me just some stuff. It's kind of outdated. I need to fix it. The files. Here's an extra save. This is something my friend's little brother made, and all you want to do is, if you want, this is a save file, so you just gotta load it up when you're in the game. Just stick this in this folder instead of this. And yeah, he calls it his zombie map. I'll let you guys look at that yourself. Intro.cpp. This is a file that happens when you start the game. This is the main file. This is file when you load a new map. And ncurses v6.cpp. This is the main thing. And I want to point out a couple things that could be useful to people. First of all, the saving and loading basically uses, I hate it when this happens. Hold on. The saving and loading basically uses a thing called scr_restore and scr_dump. And yeah, this is just a spot. You'll have to change the tie to whatever your username is. And why is it? It's messed up again. I don't like it when it does this. It likes to be weird. I don't know why it does that. I guess I should wait till it says it's done loading. Yeah, there we go. Okay, and then I don't know. There's not much else I really need to point out. Some useful stuff. If you use inch, that's a good thing to use for. That's how I made it to where you. It detects when you walk into the player and how you can't go through the wall. I used move for the coordinates. It's kind of some simple things. For the actual menu function, that's what I've been working on lately, and it uses to scroll through it. It used TNG, and it says WX to WX plus 1, and so that'll make it go down 1. But the thing is, it makes it kind of in a way converts WX into WQ, and whenever that means whenever you press the T or G, it'll update the menu. Instead of, if I just had it where WX equals 1, it'll constantly update this menu. And the reason why I don't want that is because it messes up whenever you try to go into a wall. Like, you know, it'll let you go inside of a wall and it's buggy, and I worked on that. And it sets WQ to just 20, kind of random after it. No real purpose why it's 20. Let's see, what else? These are just kind of things. When WY equals 1, this is after you press enter. gosh, I don't even remember how I have it set up, but these are the functions. And when this is the deletion process, if you want to look at it like this, it just changes the read ch, so it'll let you go inside solid objects without it pushing you out. It's hard to explain, but it all works out, and it prints it replaces whatever you just deleted with this, and real quick sends you back down, and it goes, like in this case, -1, -1, because it pushes you out of the way real quick when you do it. So this is, like I said, this is the reset right here. Just hold down this button if you manage to get stuck inside a block. It happens sometimes. And then this is for the player, which I have trouble getting it to work. I'm not good with this stuff. I think I can probably fix that now that I have more knowledge, but it's not on the top of my priorities. My top priority is getting it to where when you load up a file, it actually loads right. Look at 308. I hit 300. Well, that concludes my video. This is really old too. I need to update this. Wow. Really old. Press O to place barrier. That was like so old. Oh my god, that was this is before my last video. Alright. Well, thanks for watching. I don't know. I don't want to save nothing. That's great. I'm not gonna save this right now. I don't like it. It's such a hard decision. Do I save or do I not? Okay. Well, this will be up for download. The link will be in the description. Remember, you will, whenever you get it, you gotta change the tie to your username, and you'll have to compile start.cpp again, which I will give. I'll tell in the description the code to do that. And last but not least, you'll need ncurses, of course. And yeah, this runs on Linux. Hope you all enjoyed the video. And yeah, I just put a lot of work into this, and I need to end the video. I'm just blabbing on. Okay, peace. I'm out.